You
Let me go get some water.
like an idiot.
I'll be right back.
What a Dumont.
Alright, I ought to
Read
get
it to me
out
again.
and get some more wood.
Alright, I finished Ryan's foundation. All we need is walls.
Yo. Hey, Forge World and I need a buff. Are either of you there? Hello, neighbors. Hello, hello. So what are you guys up to right now?
I'm getting wood.
I'm trying to get back to the base.
Trying to get back to bed. It's usually a good thing to do.
It's all dark and shit, and I'm scared of the dark.
No, dude. Mormonism is real. Yo, George, what are you doing right now?
I'm looking to see what we can improve on the base.
Okay, do you want to come collect a shit ton of hides with me so we can get a bunch of Carno saddles made? I already have enough for like 1.5 saddles already.
How much was it for the saddle again?
320 hides, 30 ingots, but I already have a shit ton of ingots. And I keep just throwing more on the fire anyway. Can you light this forge? I just threw more ingots on that bitch. Nice, dude.
Yeah, I think we have enough ingots for 4 saddles. Now we just
Yeah,
need the
well,
hides.
we're still gonna need more ingots, right? Like, I might actually need to repair my thing here before I go. It's like 2/3 damage, but I can't get a full load with this. Actually, I can get like a partial load with other shit. Like whatever. I don't have to do all that. I usually like to go with a fresh axe every time, but it's not that urgent right now. At least we have enough.
Hey Ryan, did you learn how to make walls or wooden walls?
Yeah, I had wooden walls.
We all can make wooden walls, and I can make metal.
Okay. I built your foundation, so all that needs to be done now is fill it with wooden walls. I'm going to go get some hide with nobody. And when I come back, I'll probably start getting wood for us as well.
How much hide do we need?
We need about 600, 450 to 600 more ish. 450, 600 ish more, at least around there.
I have 300 on me right now.
Okay, well, just throw it in the stash. And see how much I left in there. And just put in like a shit pile from killing mammoths.
Oh, are we trying to get stuff together for
Carno, yeah.
Oh fuck yeah.
Yeah, there's already enough for like 1.5, but we need at least 3 or 4.
I'm already totally
Oh, that
ready
reminds
to,
me, before I leave, I forgot to get my
switch
bow and
over
arrow.
to a Carno mount.
Yeah, I know it, dude. You and I and George have all been ready. I know Ryan's like, yo, I need my Parasaur back. Do you miss your Parasaur, Ryan?
What was that?
Do you miss your Parasaur?
Yeah. I was just telling my buddy, when he gets on, the first thing he's gonna do is take me a Parasaur.
This is your initiation into the game. If you do this, you're welcome to play with me. If you can't complete this one task, you cannot band with me. Alright, yo, which thing has my bow and arrow? Okay, I found a bow. I don't know if this is the one this is wearing. What kind of arrow is in this thing? I don't even know. How do I even tell? I think it's a green one. I think they're both yeah, they both have green ones. Did you use all the track arrows, Ryan? Ryan,
Yeah.
did you use all the trank arrows?
No, they should be in there.
Oh, I
Okay.
have them on me.
How many do you have? Did you take them all?
I made some, so we have 11.
Okay, we're gonna need more than 11. We're gonna need about 20.
Throw 'em on the floor.
20 at least. No. Keep those 11, but I need to get at least like 10 for myself. We need at least like 20 in total between me and you.
Yeah, we both have bows, so if we both shoot him at the same time at the dino, he's gonna go down pretty fast.
Yeah. It takes about like 4 to 6 shots on a Carno unless he's really low level. Like a level 1, we might get lucky with like 3 shots. Okay, how many blackberries do we have? I think I saw some narcotics here earlier. Oh, there's some right here. But we're also gonna need some. Okay, I'm gonna make like 10 trank arrows, and then I'll keep the rest of the narcotic for taming. But I don't even think this is gonna be enough. This is only 21. Craftables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did that make? I have 4. That's 5. Okay, I have 10 track arrows and I have 12 narcotics. I think that's reasonable. Let's put away the stone ones. I'm not really going to kill. I'm gonna put this mortal on the forge. Excellent. We're gonna need more wood for the forge to keep melting. There's some thatch here, I guess we can burn that. Really nice to have both of us smithing though. We got a lot done, me and Lucifer, earlier with this smithing. Remember guys, close every door behind you, okay? Don't let Jane walk in again. It'd be a huge embarrassment. Awesome.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, I need a buff. Welcome back,
What
brother.
up?
I just wanted to let you know, we nearly have enough for 3 saddles. I think we're just about to be there. How many hides are in the stash now?
About 300 something.
I think we've got more than 300. There's at least 700 right now, if you chuck all of them.
Yeah, because I have 70 on me.
Okay, yeah, just drop off
I
whatever
have
you have in the
300 on me.
stash. But actually, it's not that heavy. It just make sure you have your trank arrows. But yeah,
Trank arrow.
I need a buff. We're almost done. We're gonna try and get at least 3 saddles made, if you don't mind, and we'll come meet
I'm
you
at the
wherever
house
you
right now,
like.
so if
Okay,
y'all want to come up,
we'll come up. Will you be there in like maybe whose mount is this? Oh, it's a Wahaya. Okay. Will you be there in probably like 5 or 10 minutes? Will you still be around the house?
I'll be here till daybreak, most likely.
Like in real life?
Not like in the in-game, 'cause it's night right now, right?
No, I think the sun is coming up right now. No.
Yeah, you're right. I'll be here for a little bit. Let you know when I'm gonna head out, okay?
All right, fair enough. Yeah, like there's no rush. Even if you gotta go on a mission and come back, we'll meet you after. But I just want to give you a heads up. We're gonna try and swing by soon. We're just getting the last little bit.
Sounds good, dude.
Appreciate it, brother. Cheers. Did I lose you? Oh, you're back there.
Yeah, I just got off to chop some wood.
Okay, okay. Yeah, let's just go ham on all these things, dude. You take
Thank
that
you,
one, I'll
Ro.
take this one. Be careful, your mount is still kinda low level. You took pancake liquor, right?
Yeah,
Alright.
that's all good. I put points in his health. He's okay.
Okay. You can spec him as you wish. I personally really like his stamina and health together early 1 by 1. Just so you can still fight and run properly. Oh, how's your health doing right now?
Still full.
Okay. Alright, cool. I'm gonna get off and get him with the axe so I can get maximum highs.
Okay.
Gonna get a lot of keratin too. We're gonna need that for the metal walls.
Yeah, Keratin and Kitten is what we need now. We need a bunch for our teardown saddle.
Pterodon saddle. That's the flying one. What does that cost exactly, brother?
The most expensive